let us talk a little bit about borders. So borders are drawn between the margin and padding. So this separates kind of what is inside the box from the outside. Remember, if you're using the standard box model, the size of the border is added to the width and height of the box. But if you're using the alternative box model, then the size of the border makes the content box smaller, as that is subtracted from the width and height given. Now, you can set the properties of the border individually, just as we saw for margin for top, right, bottom, and left. You can also set the width, the style, the color. Normally, we have been using border solid style, but you also have dashed and other type of borders. Now, here are a couple of styles you have. You can actually play around not just with a style, but you can be specific which area of the border should use a particular style. Let's say you want the top to be dashed instead of a solid color. You can be specific. So that's that about borders. Generally, this separates the outside margin from the inside padding, and you can specify the thickness, the color, and the style.